We say the street is broken, but who raised the street? We cry when one African fight another African, yet forget that no child was born with hate in their hands. Hate was taught quietly, casually, at home. From the jokes we ignore, to the statement we do not correct, to the silence that agree that sounds louder than words. Those people, that is where it starts. Not with violence, with a sentence, yet we are shocked when the sentence become actions dwelling among us to cause hate and division. What if we teach something different? What if we raise our children to see Africa beyond borders? What if we raise our children to understand that Africa is not divided by lines but connected by humanity? What if we live not as a code, but a lifestyle that says, I am, so we are. Never forget Umbutu. But the truth is, the same home that once taught division among us must begin to teach unity and love. The same voices that plant fears must begin to plant confidence. Maybe the question is not what is wrong with the street. Maybe the question is what is wrong in our homes, and what have we as parents be exemplifying and teaching our children at home. One parent, one child, one conversation at a time can shift and change the narrative of Africa. Africa, my Africans, let's unite together and work with unity of purpose without forgetting our differences but embracing our uniqueness towards realizing and achieving our purpose. The weapon of the external forces can only prosper if we are divided. We must come together. Now is the time.